Hey everyone, this is Tom from Tutor Bros. Today we're going to learn how to find the area of a trapezoid. All we need to find the area is the following formula. A equals 1/2 h times b1 plus b2, where h is the height of a trapezoid and b1 and b2 are the bases. So as long as we're given those measurements, we'll be able to find the area. So let's do a couple example problems together. In the first one, we'll say that the bases of the trapezoid are 6 and 8, and we'll just pick a unit of measurement, we'll say inches, and then the height is 4 inches. So then we just take those values, plug them into the formula on the left, and evaluate for A. All right, so the area is 1/2 the height, and the height here is 4, times the sum of the bases, which is 6 plus 8. Okay? Then the area is 1/2 of 4 times 6 plus 8 is 14. And then 1/2 of 4 is 2, so the area is 2 times 14, which is 28. And we said that those are inches, so the area of this trapezoid is 28 square inches. All right, and that's all there is to that. So that's one down. Let's do another problem. So again, all we have to do is just identify the bases and the height of a trapezoid and then plug them into the given equation. Okay, let's do another one. Now this time we'll say that the bases are 9 and 10 inches and the height is 6 inches. So plug in those values into this formula again and solve for A. So the area is 1/2 the height, which is 6, times the sum of the bases, which is 9 plus 10. Okay, and area is 1/2 of 6 times 9 plus 10 is 19. Okay, area is 1/2 of 6 is 3 times 19, and then 3 times 19 is 57. So the area of this trapezoid would be 57 square inches. Okay, easy enough. Now let's try one more problem together. This one's going to be slightly different from the previous two, but in the same ballpark. So we'll erase all that first, and we'll start over. Okay, now what if we're given the area of a trapezoid and are asked to find either the height or one of the bases? Well, we simply use the same formula that we're given here, plug in the information that we are given, and then solve for the unknown variable. So let's do one problem like that. Let's say that we don't know what the height is. So we're just going to put a placeholder here, just say that's h. And we'll say that the bases are 12 and 13 inches. And then the area is 125 square inches. Okay, now with all this information, we will use the formula to the left and solve for the height. Right, so we know already that the area is 125. So in place of A, we'll put 125. And that is equal to 1/2 times the height, which we don't know, so we'll just leave it as h, times the sum of the bases, which is 12 plus 13. Okay, now let's do some simplifying here. So 125 is equal to, and we'll say 1/2 h, times the sum of the bases is 25. So what we can do here is there's a couple of different ways we can go about isolating for h. What I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 25 first. So when we do it on the left-hand side, 125 divided by 25 is just 5. And then on the right-hand side of the equation, all we're left with is 1/2 h. Okay? And then the next and final step to isolate for h would be to divide both sides by 1/2, which is the same as multiplying by 2. So I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 2, and then I will be left with 10 equals h. So the height of this triangle, given all of the information that we were, is 10 inches.